I like the characters. I like the connection that you can get with a young person. Young people quite often don't seem to be communicating. It's nice when you make that connection with a young person, to see that relief and that you've helped them. That's why I enjoy it. Sometimes to just listen helps that person solve their own problem.
First I came here, I was like not talking to everyone, silent. She started talking to me and I was like having problems. She helped me a lot. Then I became comfortable with her. Mary supported me by helping me to find a friend. She helped me build confidence of talking to others.
Mary has got a real natural ability to connect with young people. It's so refreshing to have someone come in that can look at things from a different perspective. She's very much about empowering the young person. The way she sort of encourages them to look at the issues, it empowers them.
I think I'm able to reflect back on how things were for me. I could have just done with somebody to listen to me.